Some strategies include social programs and services, investing in social welfare programs such as affordable housing, healthcare, childcare, and food assistance to support vulnerable population and reduce inequality. Community involvement, encouraging community engagement and grassroots activism to address local social issues, build solidarity, and foster collective action. Promoting diversity and inclusion, creating inclusive environments in workplaces, schools, and communities that celebrate diversity, challenge stereotypes, and promote equity and inclusion for all individuals. Sustainable development, adopting sustainable practices and policies to address environmental degradation, mitigate climate change, and promote environmental justice.